As we go through the motions of our daily lives, we frequently ignore minor details that could make our lives easier. When you go into your house, you'll notice a slew of items that we're all familiar with, or so we thought. It turns out that we've all been misusing some of these everyday items. But don't worry. We've got some terrific suggestions for making your life 150% easier by harnessing these hidden features on commonplace items. It's practically impossible to eat just one Tic Tac at a time, not because they're rapid to come out of the container, but because they taste like any other candy. For those with some self-control, there is an easy approach for getting just one Tic Tac at a time without shaking the box too much. The seal on the top can help you pull out 1 mint at a time, so if you turn the container upside down and open it sideways, you'll have 1 mint ready to go. You could even consume the entire box by removing the white plastic, which is exactly what we would do. When you need a few minutes away from your computer, it might be frustrating to return and find it in sleep mode. Although you may reactivate it by typing in the password or shaking the mouse, some people like it to be unlocked at all times. When you need to take a break from your computer, place the mouse on top of an analog timepiece. The ticking of the watch will keep your computer operating till you return. Of course, you could change the settings to keep it awake all of the time. Isn't it annoying when you try to remove a piece of foil from the box, but the roll keeps slipping out? Despite the fact that it may not appear to be a significant problem, there is a simple solution right on the box to keep it in place. The roll is held in place by tabs on the box, which we only recently found. To keep the roll from sliding out of nearly every aluminum foil package, there are perforated tabs on the side. We were completely unaware of their existence until now, and we will never be able to live without them. They should, however, increase their visibility. Do you ever get the feeling that your smoothies have unblended pieces at the bottom? It's conceivable you've been loading your blender improperly the entire time. We've always assumed that putting the solids in first makes the process go more smoothly, but there's a better way. The most efficient way to fill your blender is to put the liquids in first, followed by the solids. The bottom swirling liquid will pull the solids down and blend everything evenly, resulting in a smooth smoothie. This method works great when using frozen fruits or veggies. When you observe a monkey eat a banana, you'll notice that they don't peel the banana from the stem end. We've spent the majority of our lives peeling bananas in this manner. To everyone's credit, it appears that the stem fulfills this function. You should peel the fruit from the bottom because you won't be squeezing it. We understand if listening to monkeys seems unusual, but this will change the way you eat bananas forever. This peeling technique also reduces the number of stringy particles.